In this video, we will demonstrate how our AI data analyst, driven by a powerful language model, can assist you in effectively analyzing your data. Let's get started. To start, we'll upload our company's HR data. Simply click the Upload File button and select your data file. Once your data is uploaded, the AI data analyst provides insights from the data, including an overview, job satisfaction, performance evaluation, and more. It offers a comprehensive explanation of the data, effectively acting as your virtual data analyst. You can interact with the data analyst by posing specific questions about the data. For instance, let's inquire about the overall employee job satisfaction. It provides a breakdown of job satisfaction by department and other essential information. Along with follow-up questions to facilitate a more in-depth discussion and gather additional insights related to your query. You can select one of these questions or input a question of your own. Additionally, it generates graphs to offer you a better understanding through visual representation. Now, let's input another question, focusing on the impact of salary on employee attrition. It provides key insights regarding the specified question and offers additional valuable information, such as the relationship between salary ranges and employee attrition. Feel free to ask any pertinent questions related to the data, and the AI data analyst will provide a detailed analysis, enabling you to make informed decisions. Embrace the power of AI for data-driven decision-making.